Hi, next what we will be demonstrating in the binary operator is assignment operator. Assignment operator has one more division other than simple assignment, which is equals to simple is a simple assignment operator. And we also have compound operator, which is plus equals to mi- minus equals to into equals to division equals to modulus equals to. Let's take two operands. Since it is binary, we need two operands to perform the operation on. But for simple assignment, you need only one value. So let's say int x. To assign value to the x, I'm going to use x is equals to 20. Now let's put system.out.println, and here if I wanted to print the value of x, it's going to print 20. Let's try compound assignment, which is equals to, let's try something like, we already have x is equals to 20. Now I wanted to try x plus equals to 5. So I'm going to add 5 to the x. So at this point, x is going to become 25. In other words, x plus 5 is equals to x plus, so x is equals to x plus 5. The meaning of writing a compound equation can be considered like it's a shorthand for x is equals to x plus 5. So at this point, it is going to become 25. Now let's put x minus equals to 5. And let's try to print the x again. This place again, it becomes 20. Now let's try x into is equals to 5 and print the x. So 20 into 5 is going to be the value for this, 100. So at this place it's going to be 100, and now x is already 100. Now let's try to divide it by 5, which is going to be 20 again. If we'll print x at this point after performing assignment, a compound assignment like uh, x division equals to 5 is equals to, it is going to divide the value of x by 5 again. And now let's try x modulus of 5, x modulus is equals to 5, and try to print the value of x, and I'm going to run this. So we have x plus, first we have simple assignment where we are showing x is equals to 20, at compound assignment where I'm incrementing it by 5 by using this expression x plus is equals to 5. So it is adding 5 to it, which is 25, and then I'm subtracting 5 using this expression x minus is equals to 5 where I get 20 again. Now I'm trying to multiply it with x asterisk is equal to 5. It is becoming 100, and I'm trying to divide it by 5 again. So it is again becoming 20. And I'm trying to do modulus of 5 where the remainder is 0. So I'm printing x as 0 at the end. So I think assignment operator is the most simplest operator after arithmetic operator. I think arithmetic operator is the most simplest one, and the second one that is very simple is assignment operator. I would suggest you to try something with different numbers and keep me posted with the result, and let me know what number you're choosing for assignment operator. Thank you.